The TermsBerry tool is a wordberry with collocates. If you hover over a word, you can see the frequency in the corpus, and you can see how many documents this term occurs in. You can also see the collocates, and the darker the color of the collocates, the higher the collocate frequency. You can control-click on a term to remove it from the berry. You can also click on a term to see its frequency across the corpus. And you can search down here to add more words to the corpus. You also have help with the search syntax in case you need it. Then you have a strategy button where you can choose to either see the most frequent terms in the corpus or to see distinct terms. Distinct terms tend to have fewer collocates. Down here you can scroll to the side, and for terms you can decide how many terms you want to see in a berry. For context, you can decide how many terms you want to consider in context, and scaling changes the relative size of the berries. Up here you have the export button where you can open the tool in a new tab. You can export HTML code and a reference, or you can export an image. Next to that you have the tool option if you want to switch to another tool, and you have the option button where you can add stop words. The question mark can give you more information, but here it will open in a new tab.